iSteady Pro 2, born for action camera. It's perfectly compatible with Gopro Hero series, DJI Osmo Action, Sony RX0, and most of action cameras. Don't care about the battery of action camera. You can charge it on a gimbal. Take iSteady Pro 2. Hang out with your friends, enjoy your trip. No matter riding, skiing, skateboarding, iSteady Pro 2 will make it happen. Keep away from water? No worries, iSteady Pro 2 is water splash proof. Go with it. Even a rainy day, press on the trigger. You can easily keep your target in the scenes. The 30 degrees angled roll axis design, making the camera always in your line of sight. Inception mode allows you to make incredible cinematic videos and POV. The app Hohem Gimble is a great enhancement of the interaction with the gimbal. You can remote control the gimbal, shoot in motion lapse, hyperlapse, and more. This is iSteady Pro 2, born for action camera.